Now for this component, this is the front view direction. In this direction there will be left hand side view. So our structure will be front view, top view, and the left hand side view which will appear on the right side. So left hand side view, this will be the structure. So by looking this component, it is easy to start with the top view. So let's start to draw top view. So I will draw here directly a center line, because in the top view at the base there is a circle, right? So this half circle is of 30 mm radius. So take 30 mm radius, and I will mark here with the 30 mm radius. One half circle. It is followed by, here it is diameter 30. So we need to take radius 15 mm. So here it is 15 mm radius, and with this I will draw one complete circle. Right? Now, since this is the circle, we need to show it with a center line. Again one more center line. Okay. Now from this end there is a distance of 60 mm. So I will draw here 60 mm distance. 60 mm. Right? On the both side. 60 mm distance. Now this edge is of 20 mm. So here we need to show 20 mm distances. See here, this one is of 20 mm, and again this one is of 20 mm. Right? Now the gap, see here, the total distance, this one is of 30 mm, and this edge is at 15 mm. Right? So take the total distance 30 mm, and now take the distance 15 mm and mark one faint line. Right? So on that faint line there is a distance 40 mm. So take the distance 20 on the both side of the center line. 20 mm on the both side of the center line. Right? So this will be the front view, sorry, top view. So simply we need to connect it in the same way. Right? Now I will leave 2 centimeter, and after 2 centimeter I will draw one reference line. Similarly, leave one more 2 centimeter distance. Object spacing is there. Right? Now we need to project each and every point in the front view. So I will project it. Since the total height is of 70 mm, I can mark here 70 mm directly. Right? Now next is the end part. This will be the end projection. Simply connect it. Now this height is of 15 mm. So take 15 mm distance and the faint line. Right? And at this point I will draw one more line. Now see here, from this edge this much distance is of 40 mm. So from this edge the distance is of 40 mm. So make here 40 mm distance, right? Connect it. And this is the inclined portion, right? So I have drawn this much portion. Now we need to show the dotted lines. See here, dotted line for the internal slot. Your dotted line should start from the solid line and ends on the solid line, right? Now center line. Now the dotted line for inner hole. Yes, it is. So front view is completed. Now leave the same space, since I have taken 2 centimeter as a standard spacing. Again I will draw here the same. Now take the 45 degree and mark it over here, right? Again align the drafter to 0 and simply project each and every point on that angle. Right? And this one is the center line. So project each and every point. I have drawn the complete projection for your understanding only, right? Okay. Now we will start it from the left side at this point. So you are able to see this much portion as it is, right? Now next one, you are able to see this much portion along with this line and also this one. So since the total width is same as that of this one, 60 mm, so I have to project in this way, right? Now nextly, this portion is up to this line. See, this is the projection. So I will get here 2 points, this one and this one, right? So I have to join this. Now next part is of these points. Now it is visible. Right? Now I need to connect these 2 points in this way. Okay. Now this central portion, the diameter is of 30 mm. Diameter 30 mm. Right? We are not able to see this edge, so we need to show it by a dotted line. Again this one, right? Again this edge, you are able to see this much amount of edge, and remaining is of dotted line. In the same way, and this is of center line. Right? So this will be the left hand side view. This will be the front view, and this will be the top view. Again, it's time to give the dimensions. So these are the dimensions. Okay. Thank you very much.